The clock and watch repair shops industry focuses on the repair, maintenance, and restoration of timepieces, including both clocks and watches. These businesses are essential in preserving the accuracy and functionality of both antique and modern devices. Due to the specialized nature of their work, effective bookkeeping and accounting are crucial. This includes accurate tracking of transactions, inventory management, and comprehensive financial reporting to ensure smooth operations and financial stability. Bookkeeping and accounting provide following benefits to clock and watch repair shops: financial transparency, regulatory compliance, optimized operations, strategic decision-making, cash flow management, risk mitigation, customer relationship management, facilitates audits and due diligence, enhanced profitability. Meru Accounting is a trusted partner for clock and watch repair shops, offering specialized financial management services. Our team uses industry expertise and advanced technology to deliver accurate, compliant, and efficient solutions tailored to your needs. By choosing Meru Accounting, you gain a dedicated financial ally focused on your business's success. Let's check out uses of bookkeeping in the clock and watch repair shops industry. Precision tracking, strategic decision-making, operational optimization, compliance assurance. Here are some services offered by Meru Accounting for clock and watch repair shops: financial reporting and analysis, inventory management, tax planning and compliance, payroll services, business advisory. With our customized bookkeeping services and industry-specific expertise, we ensure accuracy, compliance, and strategic support. Reach out to Meru Accounting today to empower your clock and watch repair shop.